Hi, and welcome to another edition of PDQPD. You may remember a couple weeks ago, I showed you that the insert image options were changing in Google Docs. And one of the things that went away with that change was the option to take a snapshot from your webcam and insert it directly into a Google Doc. Now there are ways to do that using the camera on your Chromebook or on your camera, saving it, copying it from the clipboard, etc. But there are a couple of easier ways to do that. And I've researched some of those, and I found through the help of Eric Kurtz and Alice Keeler, I found a couple of extensions for Chrome that will help you make that a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to use those today, and you can decide which one you want to use based on your own workflow. So the first one here that I'm going to show you is an extension called Webcam Screenshot, and this is the one that Eric Kurtz mentioned on his blog. So I went to the web store and I got to the Chrome Web Store, typed in Webcam Screenshot, and it brings up this extension. And I've already added it, but when you bring it up, if you haven't added it, it will be blue. You can select that box and it will add it to Chrome. And then up here in the corner, you'll see this little tiny, it's hard to even see what it is, this little icon in your extensions toolbar that when you scroll over, it says Webcam Screenshot. Let me go back to a blank document and show you how this works. I'm here in the blank document. When I decide I want to insert a snapshot, I simply go up to the extension and select it, and it brings up this fine yellow window with the webcam here showing. And I'm going to take a picture, and let's see, let me put the trigger over my make photo so I can look at the camera, wave for the camera, take a picture. If I like that, I can leave it that way, but if I don't, I can take another picture if I didn't think that was good enough. And it just replaces it. Don't like that one. Like that one a little bit better. At this point, I have two options to get it into my document. The first is pretty simple. I can right-click, select Copy Image, and then I can click to the tab where my document resides and paste. And it brings it into the document. That's the first way. I'm going to go back and show you the second way. It's even a little simpler. I can click and drag the picture up to the tab where the document is and then drag it down to the document itself. It takes a second and brings it in. And at that point when I click on it, I can resize it. And that one is the Webcam Screenshot extension, and that's the one Eric Kurtz recommends. And the second option, and I got to this one exactly the same way, going to the Chrome Web Store, and I typed in Alice Keeler Webcam Snapshot. This is one that Alice Keeler developed. Same process applies. It will be blue that says Add to Chrome. When you select it, it will say Added to Chrome. And once you've added it to the Chrome browser, up in your extensions, you will see this icon. It's a little odd looking. Works almost exactly the same way. You select that. It asks if you want to take the webcam snapshot. And when you select it, this one, it's kind of hard to see where the camera is. The little window comes up in the lower right. I'm going to put my cursor over the Take Snapshot. Again, look at the camera. Take my picture. After a second, it says URL snapshot has been put into your clipboard. And then you can go to the Insert and Image and choose Drive. And it will show up under your Recents, so you can drag it from there. Or you notice when I click on it, a little Insert option comes up down here. And I can select Insert from here, and it will insert into the document. I'm going to take that off here for a second. And let me show you another feature of this that I kind of like. I'm going back to Drive. Again, it shows it to you there. But if I go to My Drive from here, when I scroll all the way down, you will see that there is a Webcam Snapshot folder. This is automatically created when you take a picture from that extension, and all of the pictures that you've taken from that extension will appear in this folder. So when you select Insert, you can select this folder, and there's the picture that I chose, and I can click it and drag it. Those are two options to replace the Take a Snapshot feature that went away when Google changed their formatting. Those again are Webcam Screenshot, which was recommended by Eric Kurtz, and the Alice Keeler Webcam Snapshot, which obviously was recommended by Alice Keeler. Either of these will work great for you. You can choose which one you like, and I hope this will replace that function and allow you to again take pictures directly from your computer and insert them into your Google Doc. Hope this video was helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.